Welcome to today's session. So we are going to see how you can create a cryptocurrency portfolio. So this is especially for the people in India, but the flow is very similar to other countries as well. If you are in the United States, it is even more easier. Okay, so why crypto? Why you have to invest in crypto? Because the confidence in United States dollar is reducing, and Federal Reserve has been printing money like crazy. So we are going to see a massive inflation of United States dollar very soon. It's happening right now, but the impact will be felt moving forward. And if you want to trade world currencies, it is yeah, complex and difficult to process right now. uh, Crypto really helps us to what do you say circumvent most of these difficulties. And not only that, since your forex investments are visible to the government and all the authorities, you will be taxed, and you will all your transactions will be tracked, and it is all highly regulated and controlled by central authorities in each and every country. So, on the other hand, cryptocurrencies are entirely non-physical, right? And they exist only in the digital reality, and they are very secure. You can't, what do you say, fool around with bitcoins, for example. And there is no specificity about any country, right? They are borderless, truly, and you can trade cryptocurrency anywhere in the world. And there are no central authorities, so everything is distributed and everything is secure, and it is extremely difficult to stop you from trading unless the whole internet is actually brought down, or all the servers involved in cryptocurrency trading, all the machines, laptops, and computers which are involved, all of them have to be shut down in order for the crypto trading to stop. That is very difficult at this point because there are thousands and thousands of people trading cryptos right now. So these crypto networks are versatile. They are very, very diverse. There are no owners. There is no single owner for anything, and these networks are growing very rapidly, and they are going to be here for foreseeable future. Okay, and the market capitalization of crypto is growing continuously. You can see that is over here 347 billion right now, and the volumes are healthy. So when the crash happened, this pandemic rather broke out, there was a crash, and after that it continued to climb, and today it is still climbing up from here, and even the prices are all going up, right? You can see these are all like within the last 24 hours. So that is what this kind of uh, sorry, this is weekly performance, monthly performance, you can see, right? And it's all bitcoin is up, ethereum is up, and ripple is a little bit down, and tether, there is usb tether and other things. So you can see that year to date performance is 63% and ethereum is 200 plus percent. So at this point in time, there are no, I mean, there aren't many asset classes that can even approach this kind of returns. Okay, because the entire world is getting on to crypto right now. So these crypto networks run on the concept of public and private key, right? And then blockchains. So these are the very fundamental technologies that are used in the crypto networks. So I am not going to go into that at this presentation. You can look at a lot of tutorials are available. You can go look at it. And as I said, there are no central authority. This is a huge advantage. Nobody is going to come and question you why you are putting money into this or how to pay tax. No, nothing of that sort. And the system is what do you say highly automated. So the system itself determines the rate and amount of new coins that enter into the network. Bitcoin, you must have heard about the term mining. So you can actually mine bitcoins, but that is for another day. And among all the cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin is the oldest and the most popular cryptocurrency in the world, and it is most expensive one also. The last time I checked, there are over 700 cryptocurrencies that were being traded actively, and almost all the cryptocurrencies. I mean, there are many exceptions, but in common, generally, most of the cryptocurrencies somewhat dependent on the Bitcoin. So if the Bitcoin price crashes down, most of the cryptocurrencies also go down. Okay, so this is a very important point. You are not anonymous when you trade cryptocurrencies. Okay, so all your transactions can be tracked, and they do track. Governments do track all the cryptocurrency transactions. So there are many cases already resolved by the governments and the police departments where somebody promised great returns for another investor who has no idea about crypto. So the investor gives this techie some lot of money, and this techie invests that money into crypto, but the crypto crashes down, and then the techie vanishes somewhere. So the government, the investor complains to the police, and then they investigate and they actually recover as much as possible from the crypto accounts. So this has happened several times now. So governments can and will track your transactions, crypto transactions. But one good thing is they cannot stop you. Okay, so unless the exchange cooperates with them, in which you are having an account, if your exchange does not cooperate with the government, then your government cannot do anything. So that is why it is always a good idea to keep your transactions in an exchange which is outside of your country. So, that is what we are going to see in today's presentation. Okay, and I mean, if you wanted to trade in cryptocurrencies, let's say about 10 years back, it was very complicated. So, but today it has become as simple as buying shares in the share market. It's very straightforward. So that's we will see that now. And these are some of the popular crypto exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, Bitfinex, CoinSecure, UnoCoin, Local Bitcoins, WazirX, BuyUCoin, PocketBits, ThruBit, and other things. Okay, so I have traded in Kraken, Binance, WazirX, BuyUCoin, and PocketBits, and I tried my hand in local bitcoins also. So in fact, I started trading in about 6 7 years back. But at that time, there was an exchange called MT Gox in Japan, and those guys folded up because of a scam, and I lost a lot of money. So then I decided not to get into this crypto at that time, and then left it. So after a long gap, only recently I again started on crypto. So anyway, so that is my story. Now today we will be seeing how to trade with the WazirX and Binance. So those two exchanges are our focal points. WazirX is a subsidiary of Binance, which is in India. WazirX is in India and Binance is an international trading company. Okay, you can go ahead and open in any of these exchanges, but we will see these two because these provide a very convenient, safe, and cheap way of buying and maintaining a portfolio for people in India. So there is this Geotas. They provide even stop loss support. So if you don't want to take too much risk and you want to cut your risk if the price goes down, you can use this Geotas account. I mean this account as well. Okay. So how do you set up a crypto portfolio? As I said, it is pretty straightforward actually. And just to create an account in any of the crypto exchanges online, submit your KYC documents, know your customer documents online. This is also all everything is online. And then link your bank account with your cryptocurrency account. Then transfer some money into your crypto exchange account and buy some cryptocurrencies. So that's it. I mean, there is no magic to it, and it is straightforward. Okay, so how do you trade from India? First thing is to set up an account in WazirX. Okay, so this is a subsidiary of Binance. Then you need to submit your KYC documents and link bank account to WazirX, and go ahead and create a account in Binance also. Okay, it's the same process. You need not submit KYC and all over again, because once you submit in WazirX, you can link the account in Binance and it will be automatically linked. And you link your WazirX account with the Binance account. Once you have linked it, then you can transfer money into WazirX account. It will immediately come in. Once you transfer from your bank into WazirX account, it will come in. And with that money, you can buy some US dollar tether. Okay, so one tether is exactly the same value as the current US dollar. Okay, so this will enable you to buy the actual cryptocurrencies. So you need to first buy USD tether in WazirX, then transfer that USD tether to Binance account, your own Binance account. There you can use the USD tether to buy all the other cryptos. Okay, so that is how we are going to do it, and you are done. And your portfolio, your portfolio is all set, and you can keep tracking your profit and loss from that point onwards. Okay, so let us see each of the steps um, in the in this flow. What I have described over here, we are going to see each of these steps now. So, how do you open an account in WazirX? So, before we go forward, one disclaimer is I am not associated with any crypto exchange whatsoever. So, I am just a user, just like you. Okay, so go to wazirx.com. You will see that, and you just click on your sign up button and give your email ID, password, some password you can give, and agree and sign up. That's it. So it's a very straightforward process. Once you are signed up, you can log in. Go ahead and log into that. You can see login via Binance. This we will see a little later. So now you can log into WazirX. After logging in, you need to go to your profile and link your mobile. Okay, so this is required for two-factor authentication. Okay, you can click on this, and you can click on this and link your mobile as well to this account. They simply send you an OTP, and that's all. It's a very straightforward flow. After that, you need to set your currency preference. So go to your currency preference here and set it to rupees. Then, as I said, you can set up your 2FA, link your mobile. So as I told you, so two-factor authentication, you can link this. There are two methods mentioned here. Authentication app. So if you are using Android or Apple phone, you can try this. But in my Android mobile, it did not work properly. So I just I'm using this mobile SMS based 2FA. Okay. So once you are done, and that's it. There is nothing much on that. So you can start trading. But at this point in time, you can only trade cryptocurrencies, not with actual money. So for the actual money to come in, you need to submit your KYC documents. Okay. So typically you submit your PAN card and Aadhaar card. Okay. So you click on this verify KYC and submit your documents, and it will take a couple of days. So maybe 1 day or 2 day, or sometimes it happens very quickly. Within a couple of hours, they may approve it. So you need to keep your scanned copy of your Aadhaar card and PAN card ready. If not Aadhaar card, you can use your driving license where your address is clearly mentioned and your photo is also there. So once your KYC is approved, you will get an email like this. Your KYC is approved. Congratulations. And this email looks like that. And just below the email, you will see a link for deposit INR. Okay. So only when KYC is approved, you will be able to transfer money as rupees into your WazirX account. And after that, you can go ahead and click on payment options and link your bank account. So this may be your ICICI bank account, HDFC or SBI or whatever. So you can link it, this one, or you can also link your UPI ID. over here. So both options are there, but I always prefer linking the bank account. And as I said, you should have your bank account in systemically important banks, SIBs, which are only three banks in India. You have SBI, you have ICICI, and HDFC. So your money is safest in these SIB banks, none of the other banks. Okay, so always have an account in HDFC and ICICI. That is the best, safest way of keeping your money in the banks. So link your bank account over here, and once you have linked, you can come here and click on this. You can come to funds. If you click on funds, you will see rupees over here, first one. And if you have any existing cryptocurrencies, it will show below, but forget about all that. You will definitely see this rupee here and deposit button. So click on that deposit button. It will show you these two options: instant deposit, which is IMPS, and standard deposit is not there right now. You can click on this, and then it will show you the bank account of WazirX. Okay, you can register this in your HDFC or ICICI bank. You can as a payee. Okay, if you are using ICICI bank, you have to register this account as other bank account, not another ICICI bank account. Okay, this is important because this is a virtual bank ID, and somehow ICICI bank doesn't accept this ID. So it will keep on giving you error, and you will not know why, what exactly is wrong. So you have to select it as other bank account, and enter these details and register the payee. After 30 minutes, you will be able to transfer money into this account. So make sure that before you transfer any money, your bank account should be linked. Okay, so we saw that, right? Link your bank account. This step must be completed before this transfer. Okay, so once you transfer the money, it will pretty much come in instantly. Within 10 seconds or so, you will get your email. This your INR deposit is completed, and congratulations, and so on. Credited amount, it will show you. Okay, so this will come in. So that's it. So once you have completed this much, you will have INR money in your WazirX account now. Okay. So let us keep that aside and go into Binance and register yourself. So this is a register link, and it follows the same process as WazirX. It will ask you for your email ID and your mobile phone, and give all those details and register yourself. And after that, you need to connect WazirX and your Binance accounts. Okay, so that is also easy. Go to this link, wazirx.com/connect/Binance. You can go to this link, and it will show you this button, login via Binance. But this is in WazirX, right? So in WazirX, click on this login via Binance, and give your Binance login password. Then it will, or another way is go to WazirX, and straight away you can click on this login via Binance button in the login screen. Okay, this will also work, the same thing, right? And it will ask you for your permission to connect the Binance and the WazirX account. So select this, and you say continue, and that's it. So your Binance account and the WazirX account are now connected. Now is the right time to start buying with your INR in WazirX account. We need to buy USD Tether in WazirX. So for that, I think I have to show this in real thing. Okay, so this is your WazirX account. After you log in, this is your main screen. So you go to your exchange over here. It will load up, and there are three options here: USDT, BTC, INR. Click on INR, and then with your INR, you want to buy this USD Tether. So you click on this one, and it will show you what is the current rate. So the more importantly, we need to take into account your buy, the latest buy price and the sell price. Okay. Now we want to buy USD Tether with INR, right? So just to scroll down. So here is the buy and sell windows. Okay, you can buy or sell. Now you would have got some money now in your Wasirex account. So if you say you click on 100% over here, it will show you your INR 100%, whatever you have. It will show you all the money over here. So right now I have 108.26 rupees, and the corresponding USD tether amount is shown here. I can buy only $1.41 with this exchange rate 76.65. That is the current best buy price. Now if I want to buy, the first thing is you need to enter an amount which is less. You can edit either this or both. For example, if I have 108 rupees, I can buy for, let us say, 100 rupees, because that 8 rupees may go for charges and things like that. So similarly, or I can edit this, okay, or I can actually edit this 1.3, 1.2, for example. I can say this, okay. And the most important part is this is a limit order. Wasirex does not have a market order, so you have to come here and enter a price which is higher than the best buy price, because we want to buy without any conditions. We just want to buy. So you offer a better price than this 76.65, right? So you put it as 76.7. Okay, so this doesn't matter. You can also put 8. Any number larger than this buy price is okay. Okay, so now double check all the numbers. Okay, so then you place your order over here by clicking on this. Then your order will appear in this open order column. Okay, so once the order gets fulfilled, it will vanish from here and go to completed orders. Okay, that's it. So once this is done, you would have got your USD tether into your account. So that is what I have explained over here, the same process. Okay, so since you have already linked up your Wasirex and the Binance accounts, you will see a bar like this, transfer funds to Binance, at the very top of it. And you have bought rupees and Bitcoin. If you have, it will be there. Now click on this. Okay, and the USD tether will also be there. Okay, if since you have bought USD tether, it will also be there in this. Okay, so click on this to transfer funds to Binance, and you can click on this 100% if you want to transfer 100%, or however much you transfer, enter it over here, and then you transfer to Binance. So it will send you an OTP, and you have to complete the two-factor authentication. So it will send you to your mobile and as well as the email. So once you enter those OTPs, then the USD tether from Wasirex will be transferred into your Binance account. Okay. Now, how do you verify that? So you go to Binance.com and log in with your login and password. You can click on this wallet and spot. Okay, if you click on this spot, this screen will open up, and you will see this tether icon over here. Okay, so just click on this tether icon, and it will show you a pop-up like this. So it will show you how much of USD tether is available in your Binance account. So this will be the same amount which you have transferred from Wasirex. Okay, so this is how you verify that the USD tether has come into your Binance account. Okay, so now you have USD tether in Binance. Now you can buy any crypto. Whatever crypto you want to buy, you can easily buy. Let us go through that buying process. It's also straightforward, but nevertheless, I wanted to show you, so it is easy. Right. Now you need to go into the markets. Okay, so let me go to Binance so I can show this. Okay, this is my Binance account. you can see that there is something called the markets, right? You click on this markets. Okay, it is it's loading up. So main thing is you click on this BTC markets. Okay, so it will load up all the BTC and click on any of the trades. It doesn't matter which trade you click because it will only take us to the markets, right? You just click on trade. Okay, so now this is the marketplace, and since I have clicked on link BTC, it is showing me the price of this currency pair. So don't worry about this. You can ignore everything. Come over here and select USDT. In the fiat, you select USDT. Okay. So once you are selected here, come to this search box, and so I am buying Bitcoin. Okay. Right now I'm buying Bitcoin. You say BTC. That is a Bitcoin. So now it is going to show you all the BTC matches, and you can see BTC slash USD Tether. So this is what we want to buy. So click on this. Okay, it will load up uh, BTC USDT. Okay, so now all the things are related to this pair BTC USDT. Just scroll down a little. You can see the buy and sell windows. Okay, so you have to make sure the spot is selected over here, and we want to buy. So the first step is the limit. Click on limit window. Come over here and enter your whatever, however much you want to buy, right? So for example, I have only 3.4 USD tether right now with me in my account. So let us say I want to buy for 3 USD USD. Always enter a little bit less than what you have. Okay, because some money will go for charges. It will be a hassle if the charge exceeds your account, the total account. So give it quite a bit of margin. So if you have $100, you enter $98. That is much better. So you enter 3. Now it will tell you how much of BTC I can buy for $3 over here. Okay, so if I change this to 2, it's going to tell me how much of thing I can buy. If I say 100, so it's going to tell me how much of thing I can buy. Okay, so let's say 3. Now copy this. Okay, copy this Bitcoin. Then go to market and uh, paste it over here. Now you just buy BTC. So this much of BTC you want to buy, right? So you just click on this buy BTC, then it will go ahead and immediately buy it. Okay, so to review, we use the limit window to find out how much of BTC we can buy for the available money, and then copy paste that BTC, go to market and enter it over here. Then you say buy BTC. So once you have bought this one, it will immediately appear here in my trades. Okay, so right now I have not traded anything today, so it is nothing over here. But once your order gets executed, you will be able to see it in my trades. So that's it. So if I want to buy, let us say Ethereum, you say ETH. Okay, so then you can see ETH USDT over here, and the same process, right? You just come down, uh, go to limit orders, enter however much, say $3. This is how much Ethereum I can buy for $3. Copy paste this, and then come to market orders, enter here that much, and say buy ETH. Okay, so this is how to buy a particular cryptocurrency in Binance. Okay, so this we have gone through just now. I just put some screenshots so that whoever wants to download the PPT, they can easily review these things. Okay, so that's it. So you keep on buying this. Whatever cryptocurrencies you want, you can keep on buying this in Binance. Okay, now let us say you have bought some five cryptocurrencies. You have bought Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Link, Neo, BAT, and things like that. Okay. Now your Binance do not have any portfolio manager. It will show you what is there in your accounts. Okay, it will not give you all the profit and loss, how it is varying over time. None of that it will show you. It will show you only the current balance. So to know all your to track your portfolio, first thing you need to do is export all the trades into an Excel. Okay, so for that you come to Binance and you come to spot orders, and then you say export complete trade history. Okay, so you can see here you have open orders, order history, trade history. You have to click on trade history first, then come and click on export complete trade history. So this will pop up a save. Okay, this will save everything into an Excel. Okay, now keep that Excel, save that Excel. Now go to this cointracking.info. Okay, this is a really very good website for tracking crypto portfolios. So create an account, same process, right? You give your email ID. You need not give your phone number. You just create the account with your email ID. Then log into your account. Then you will see all these things: dashboard, reporting, enter coins, and so on and so forth. Now come to enter coin, and then come to exchange imports, and then select Binance over here. So once you select that, it will show you a window where you can drag and drop the Excel file you have saved in the previous step. Just drag it over there and drop it. It will load it. It will load it up into your coin tracking thing, and you can click on this dashboard, and you can go to charts and trends and all those things. Explore this. Is an excellent website. Okay, you can track on a daily basis how much of percentage it is changing, and everything, right? So that is all there is actually. And here are some of the cryptocurrencies you can consider. You can explore these, right? Ethereum, Bitcoin, Link, XMR, Light, Dash, Neo, Synthetic Coin, Zcash, BAT, EOS, XRP, USDT. USD Tether is just a tether. You can ignore this. And I think I have to move out of XRP as well. Probably this is not a good time to buy Ripple. So other than these two, you can consider these coins. Anyway, bulk of your investment should be in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Those are the number one coins. Your bulk of your investment should be there. So other coins you can consider lesser amount. Right. So you can, if you want to deep dive into how Bitcoin works, what do you mean by private and public key? What do you mean by public ledger, blockchain technology, and all that? You can go to, you can download this book by Andreas Antonopoulos. It's a brilliant book. It's a very good book, but it goes into technical details. So you can download this and go through that. And my friend Uday is doing crypto. He's a crypto expert, and he has been doing crypto for many years now. And if you really want help with your crypto, you can reach out to him. And yeah, so that is all I had for crypto. And just to make sure, I repeat the same point over again, which I have been repeating for the last nearly 4 or 5 months now. You have to buy four things. Okay, you have to buy gold, you have to buy silver, you have to buy farmland, and you have to buy crypto. These are the four things where you should keep your money, and you have to take money out of your bank and invest in all of these things. So I have been showing how the gold prices and silver prices have been changing right? You can see last 30 days we are up by 12.69%. Silver is up by 51.28%. Okay, so you can this is phenomenal numbers. These are phenomenal numbers in this time of hardships, right? So yeah, so do all these things. This is absolutely a must have. So that's all I had. See you next time.